Hey, what's up guys? If you're looking for a new construction 2-story home with a primary bedroom downstairs, 3-car garage in a gated neighborhood, well, you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned because in this video, we are gonna go over the Ember floor plan, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to buy a new built home, or if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, welcome everyone. Today is October 3rd, 2024. We are gonna be touring Lira at Sunstone by Woodside Homes. Now we're located here in the northwest side of town. We're about 30 to 40 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the strip. Great area, you guys. A lot of these communities are going to be gated, okay? And they're gonna have parks close by, so great for families. They also have stores close by as well. Before I put the floor plans on the screen for you guys, just know that they're gonna offer 126 lots here. Now it's gonna be divided into two different collections, okay? Collection 1 and Collection 2. Now I'll put the floor plans up on the screen for you guys. So Collection 1, they're gonna have 4 different floor plans, all 2-story homes with 2-car garages. It's gonna range from 2,488 square feet to about 2,752 square feet, with the base prices ranging $534,990 to $559,990. And then you're gonna have Collection 2, okay? They're gonna offer 3 different floor plans. These are gonna be 2-story, 3-car garages, okay? So that's the major difference between the collections, is one has two-car garage, the other has 3-car garages. But yeah, 3 different floor plans ranging from 3,027 square feet all the way up to 3,428 square feet. Here in this community, they're doing a mixture of both, of quick move-ins as well as building from lot up. And now I think they're gonna have more building from dirt up than quick move-ins. But if you're looking at the base price, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included in that base price. So you just wanna go ahead and add that. Buyers on average are putting in at about 10 to 20% of the base price, which is going to include the lot premium and upgrades, okay? So it's kind of like a large gap, but there's different like structural upgrades that you could do with these homes, which is kind of shows you why it could be 10 to 20%, okay? So a little bit about the community here. As far as the total monthly fee, homeowners association, so you're going to have an HOA and you're going to have a master plan. So together that's going to be $100 a month. You also will have a SID assessment here. So the SID assessment is going to be $480.50 that you pay every 6 months. Okay, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome everyone to the Ember Plan 2. Now this is going to be 3,036 square feet, 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, and the base price as of today is $609,990. Okay. So just know that base prices are subject to change. The further out you buy, most likely the base prices will increase. Okay, so this is gonna be the sales office, but that is the 3-car garage. So something that's really cool about inside the garage is it's gonna be finished, right? Meaning that the interior, the inside of the garage is gonna be fully painted. It's a 3-car garage, it's gonna have a water softener loop. You're also gonna have it's set up so if you have like an electronic vehicle, you could easily install like an EV charger, and then it does have like a solar conduit. So you could easily set up your solar, okay? But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so So to get to the front door, kind of have to walk towards the side of the house right here. All right. So you're gonna have this 8-foot door. As you can see, you have this large window. That's gonna be your dining room right there. Okay, so welcome in. And when you open the door, you're greeted by this large living room area. And then you have that nice stackable slider right over there. Okay. So welcome in. So you got your kitchen room, dining room. Something that's really cool about this floor plan as well is you have the primary bedroom downstairs. But yeah, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. So that is standard. Again, Woodside, they have a lot of nice standard features in this house, and I'll go ahead and explain them, and also go ahead and explain what the structural upgrades options are for you as well. So as far as the flooring goes, now this is gonna be upgraded. Now most buyers in this community are upgrading their flooring because the standard flooring is you're gonna have carpet all throughout the house except for the wet areas. And then in the wet areas, you're gonna have the 18 by 18 ceramic tile. So you'll get that in the kitchen, bathroom, the laundry room. Another cool standard feature is this slider is included. Okay, so there's no upgrading to that slider, and you'll also have that, you also have the covered patio, okay? Now this covered patio structural upgrade is extended out, which I'll show you in just a minute. But that's a structural upgrade that you can do. Okay, so welcome to the kitchen. Very large kitchen, plenty of cabinet space. As you can see, you even have cabinet space like right under the island. Okay. You'll have your pantry right over here. So it's a reasonable sized pantry. Okay, also you have these 2 windows, so you're allowing a lot of natural light to come in. Now, as far as the cabinets, right? As you can see, you have some stacked cabinets right there. That is optional. This quartz material is optional as well. Now the standard countertop is quartz, but it's not gonna be this type of quartz, okay? And as far as the cabinets go, you'll have the 42-inch cabinets, maple cabinets, which will be standard. But if you wanna do something like this color, that would be optional as well. And then also if you want backsplash or if you want these lights, as you see here, that is optional as well. Okay. As far as the kitchen is concerned, you're going to, so you have the built-in profile cooktop. This is standard, this community, okay? A lot of other communities, you'll just have that oven cooktop. Okay, refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. But you also will have soft close cabinets, and that is included. Okay, so there's the garbage disposal. So you got the button right here. Okay, so you got the microwave oven right here. Okay, oh nice, I'm gonna take one of these waters. I'm parched. Yeah, so feels very open right here. Here, now I'll show you the primary bedroom. Now this is gonna be the door to the garage, but that is the sales office. So you'll have your powder room right here, okay? And then you have this door as well. Okay, nice. So you have some extra storage space in here. Okay, I got the quartz countertop. Standard is you're gonna have the Delta chrome faucets. And then you have this coat closet right here. Now, you could also upgrade this so you don't have a closet. And then I think you could have like some, this would just be open and you'd have like cabinets. You could have like cabinets right there. Okay, so we're heading into the primary bedroom. So straight ahead, we have the primary bath. Okay, and then to the left, You're gonna have your primary bedroom. You're gonna have this really nice slider, okay, and your walk-in closet. So let's start with a shower. Again, another great standard option is this spa-like shower. Now, usually in most builds, you actually have to upgrade into this option, but here, this is the standard. Now, if you want a tub, like a freestanding tub, you could upgrade into that. But I believe most people are just gonna leave this as is because, you know, no extra charge. So you have your dual sinks, okay? You're gonna have your toilet room right here. Okay, so this is gonna be the undermount sinks. I believe the undermount sinks that is included. Cool, so right over here, you're gonna have your slider. So this is the structural upgrade. You see how they extended the covered patio? So you can do that. Usually it'll stop to like right about over there. Okay, very spacious primary bedroom. If you're building from lot up, you could choose your electricals too if you want more lights. I'd at least recommend pre-wire to the ceiling fan. So this is a pretty deep walk-in closet. Plenty of space. Okay, nice. And then right over here, which is nice, you'll notice a lot of communities, they have the transfer grills, which helps regulate the airflow. And if, you know, there's like random gust in air in one room, we could easily transfer through it. Right here, you're gonna have the jumper ducts. Okay, so pretty much air, if there's any wind, it would travel through inside there and it would come out right over here. The reason why these are better than transfer grills, which would usually be right here, is because it's just more privacy. So you won't, you know, like noise travels through the transfer grill. Okay, beautiful living room. Here, so let's take a look. This backyard. Now again, as far as their backyard is concerned, so you get the front landscaping is going to be included. But when you get to the backyard, you're going to have pavers under the covered patio, but all of that would be dirt. And you'd have HOA would give you about 6 months to a year to finish your backyard. Okay, so the process for doing your backyard is as soon as you move in, you're gonna have to fill out an ARC application with your HOA, and they're gonna require like a drawing. They want like a drawing of what you're gonna do with your backyard. You can have your landscaper do it, and then you just submit it. And sometimes could take up to a week or maybe like a month to get it accepted. Cool. So we're gonna head to the second floor. So this is what you see, like very high ceilings. Okay. I believe these stair rails are upgraded. I think the standards are just gonna be the white mission style railings. Immediately right here. Also, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings. Okay. So it definitely feels really spacious. So you have a nice loft. Okay, definitely a great area. Great for like just relaxing, having movie nights. Okay, I like this. This couch fits perfectly in this loft. Now this is a balcony. If you want a balcony, this is upgraded. So, that's definitely an option. Usually the buyers, they're putting in about 10 to 20% of the base price. So that's a pretty big range, right? 10 to 20% of the base price in upgrades. Well, that includes like the lot premiums too. Okay, so just expect to spend about kind of be anywhere between that range. But you see, it could easily go up, especially if you do your a lot of the structural upgrades. So So right over here, you're gonna have your linen closet, and then you're gonna have your laundry room right here. Okay, cool. So you're gonna have base cabinets that'll be included. I believe if you want the sink, I think that's optional. This is gonna be optional here, and then the washer and dryer is not included. Okay, more storage for your linens. Okay. All right, so up here, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms, okay? So this is gonna be your full bath. Okay, and I believe you can actually upgrade to a second sink right there. Okay, and it looks like they also went with a structural upgrade. They added the walk-in shower. Usually it'd be a shower tub right here. And then as you can see, it does connect to this bedroom. Now the structural upgrade that you can make here is, let's say, for example, you don't need 4 bedrooms, right? You need just 3 bedrooms. What they would do is they would essentially combine these rooms, these 2 bedrooms, so that when you walk in, you would walk in right over here. You'd have your own, like, it's like a guest suite, right? So this would be like a little living room area. You could have like a refrigerator over here, a microwave, and then there would be a door right here. You could get to your primary, not your primary, but your full bath. And then if you keep walking straight, that'd be your bedroom. Okay, so it'd be great if you had somebody like a tenant living with you, a friend, you have guests staying over. So, but the way they made this model is they just had it two different bedrooms. Okay, so this bedroom has its own personal sink. You have a pretty decent sized walk-in closet here. And then a decent sized room. Okay, so you got 3 windows, which is good. You're gonna get that light. Okay, so this is it's your other bedroom right here. Now this is nice because this bedroom does have also a walk-in closet. And then also it has its own full bath. So the 2 guest rooms will share like 1 bath, and then this one will have its own. Okay. Obviously this surround is going to be upgraded. All right, now if you are watching this video, you've been watching my videos and you're interested in new construction homes and you're thinking about visiting for the very first time, guys, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure you let your realtor know that you're going to visit a new construction community so that they're with you. The second you visit it by yourself, what's going to happen is the builder agent's going to get your name, your phone number, your email. Once they have that information, they won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation, guys, just because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So, we're constantly trying to negotiate for you. We've been through this process, so we know what to look for. We hold the builders accountable. And it's just a smoother process when you're working with a realtor. All right. Cool. Yeah, guys, that is about it. Let me know what you guys think of the Ember floor plan. Again, if you have any questions, you're curious to know incentives, dimensions, or if you have any questions, just reach out to me. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.